Everyone thinks the best-selling heat transfer printer is automatically the best one. But is that really true? If you look a little closer, the story is actually quite different. Product number 1, TransHour Dream Upgraded Iron on Paper 15 Sheets. The TransHour Dream Upgraded Iron on Heat Transfer Paper has caught my eye with its impressive user ratings and affordable price at $12.97. If you want vibrant designs on your light fabrics without the hassle, this is worth a serious look. What makes this paper stand out is its second-generation True Transfer formula. This means you can print your designs directly, saving you time and frustration. Plus, it's compatible with inkjet printers, which most people already have at home. The pack includes 15 sheets, allowing you to create multiple custom items like t-shirts, bags, and even pillowcases for gifts. With over 4,000 sales in the past month and a solid 4.5-star rating from 1,600 reviews, it's clear that many users are satisfied. Now, some people complained about the transfer quality fading slightly after several washes. Here's the thing though, if you follow the instructions closely, you shouldn't run into this problem. For those looking for a reliable option, this is manageable. This is perfect for you if you're a DIY enthusiast or someone looking to make personalized gifts without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're aiming for prints on darker fabrics. For the price, it offers great value for what you get. Now, if the limited sheets in this pack bothered you, the next option might actually be even better for those who want more quantity. Product number 2, TransHour Dream Upgraded Iron on Paper 20 Sheets. Next up is the TransHour Dream Upgraded Iron on Heat Transfer Paper with 20 sheets for $14.97. If you want more sheets to play with while still getting vibrant results, this is a solid contender. This product also has the True Transfer technology, which allows for easy cutting with scissors or Cricut machines. This paper works well with a variety of light-colored fabrics, making it perfect for t-shirts, tote bags, and even aprons for gifts. It's designed for inkjet printers, and you can get started without worrying about mirror printing. With 5,200 reviews backing its 4.5-star rating, it's a hit among users. However, some users found the application process a little tricky and noted that it took practice to get perfect transfers. But honestly, once you get the hang of it, it becomes second nature. So this might be a deal breaker for those who are looking for something super straightforward right out of the box. This is perfect for you if you love crafting and want to make multiple items. Skip it if you only need a few sheets for a one-off project. The extra sheets make it a good value for the money. Alright, that was a solid option. But if you need to work with darker fabrics, let's take a look at the next product. Product number 3, TransHour Dream True Heat Transfer Paper 20 Sheets. The TransHour Dream True Heat Transfer Paper is another great pick priced at $19.95. If you need something that works well with both inkjet and laser printers, this one's worth considering. What's impressive about this paper is its compatibility with both printer types, which means you can use whatever you have at home. It's designed to withstand the washing machine. You won't see peeling or cracking even after 30 washes, which is a significant plus. The pack comes with 20 sheets, and the vibrant results you get make it perfect for personalized gifts for any occasion. Users have rated it 4.3 stars with around 2,000 reviews, indicating a solid satisfaction level. Now, some people reported that the paper didn't adhere well to certain fabrics, especially polyester blends. Here's the thing though, if you stick to 100% cotton or light fabrics, you shouldn't have any issues. This is perfect for you if you want versatility in printing styles. Skip this if you exclusively work with dark fabrics. It's a decent investment for the quality you receive. Now, if the compatibility issue with fabrics is a concern, the next product might have you covered. Product number 4, Printer's Jack Iron-On Heat Transfer Paper for Dark Fabric. Now let's talk about the Printer's Jack Iron-On Heat Transfer Paper priced at $15.27, specifically designed for dark fabrics. If you want high-quality transfers on dark materials, this is your go-to. This paper measures 8.3 x 11.7 inches and comes with 20 sheets. With its ability to withstand washing and drying cycles, this product offers durability that many users appreciate. With a stellar rating of 4.4 stars from nearly 10,000 reviews, it's evident that it's a favorite among crafters. However, some users mentioned that it can be tricky to get the right temperature settings for the best results. Here's the thing, once you find that sweet spot, it works like a charm. So while it may take some tweaking, it's not a huge deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you frequently work with dark fabrics and want lasting quality. Skip this if you mainly use light fabrics, as it won't give you the results you're looking for. It's a solid value for what you get. Now, if you need a heat press to make your transfers easier, you might want to check out the next product. Product number 5, Caligy Mini Heat Press. Finally, we have the Caligy Mini Heat Press priced at $24.98. If you're looking for a compact press that's easy to use, this might just be what you need. This mini heat press is designed for convenience, featuring a simple one-button operation that makes adjusting the temperature a breeze. It heats up quickly, reaching 284 degrees F in just 3 minutes, which cuts down on your waiting time significantly. The ergonomic handle makes it comfortable to use, and the auto-off feature provides peace of mind so you don't need to worry about leaving it on. With a fantastic 4.7-star rating from over 5,200 reviews, users rave about its efficiency. One drawback is that the small heat plate limits the size of the designs you can transfer at once. Now, some people might find this frustrating, especially for larger projects. But honestly, it's perfect for smaller items or intricate designs, and you can always do multiple passes. This is perfect for you if you frequently create smaller items like hats or patches. Skip this if you're only working with larger apparel. For its price point, it's a handy tool for any crafter. So to wrap it up, we have the TransHour Dream upgraded iron-on paper for light fabrics, the 20-sheet variant of the same brand, the True Heat paper that works with both printer types, printer's jack for dark fabrics, and the Caligy Mini Heat Press. Each has its strengths depending on your specific needs and projects. Choose the one that aligns best with what you want to create.